Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are tackling a task that many of us dread but can't avoid packing your precious ceramic crockery for a move. And guess what? We are making it super easy and fun. So, stick around and let's get this packing party started. But before we dive into it, have you ever found that one special plate from a Chumba collection and just couldn't resist buying it? Or that adorable mug from Homely Hub that brightens your morning coffee routine? We all have our favorite pieces, so let's make sure they arrive at the new house in one piece. Okay, first things first, dusting. You don't want to pack dirty crockery, grab a soft microfiber cloth. These are perfect because they gently remove dust without scratching the surface. Starting with this gorgeous jar from Homely Hub, just look at those colors, which by the way is one of my absolute favorites. Gently wipe the surface in a circular motion. Don't forget the edges and the back. This breakfast plate is a bread shaped one, which is so cute and unique. So, our task is to wipe away all the dust and neatly put it into that bucket. This is pineapple shaped ladle plate, which is actually a ladle rester. So, it looks lovely, and look at the color, it's just beautiful. So, we have to pack everything carefully inside that bucket and then wrap it with a plastic sheet. This is the crockery stand which I got from Amazon. It was around 2000 rupees and it's worth the buy. It's made up of wood and iron, so it's good and helps display the crockery items perfectly. Now that we have placed all the crockery items in the bucket, we are also placing the newly purchased mat to give it a cushion kind of feel. So we are putting that in on the sides of the bucket so that it does not jerk out. We are also packing some other items as well, like this radio and foosball game and so on. So these all will be kept in that house, which is a 1 BHK house. This is also a ceramic hand wash dispenser. Just look at the beauty of the ceramic dispenser. Now that we have packed everything inside the bucket, we are keeping these new mats above them, which provides cushioning. These are also miniature ceramic houses that can be placed inside the flower pots or display it as a display piece. Now we have packed it with a plastic wrapper so that it doesn't get out of the bucket. And my mom is cleaning the gym mat. This is the foosball game. It's a tabletop game which we got for our brother on his birthday. So we are taking this also to that house. So that's all, friends. We have dusted everything and packed inside that bucket, as well as we had dusting some of the other items as well. So it's over now, and I will meet you in another cleaning vlog like this in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned, and until then, it's bye from Lydia. Bye.